Hello everyone! As promised, we're going to make a carne con chili, and in order to make that I need to prepare myself. So this is where the coronavirus is really helpful. So first I'm going to set on my cooker, heat up my pan here. Okay, and while it's doing that, I'm going to prepare myself. I made this mask this morning to match my dress. So I'll be making some more of these. These are really good. Okay, put my glasses on also to protect myself. And then the most important, because the last time I made this chili, it was so bloody hot, nobody could eat it and I was crying for days. So, snazzy, huh? Here we go. Okay, so now I've got these dry chilies. Okay, none of that. Put them in here. And now I'll just, I need something from here. There we go. So I'm just going to heat these chilies, just sort of like warm them so the flavour comes out. My hair's annoying me now, sorry about this. Okay, right. Now you can't smell this, but they're really starting to smell really sweet. And so we really need to cook them a little bit, just sort of a few minutes to get all those flavours out of the chili. Now because of the chili being really spicy, it's really important that you protect your eyes and your nose and your breathing. So just do a little bit. I think it's good now. I think I can remove them from the pan. Now the pan will now already have all the flavours of these chilies. Okay, so I've got my jug here. So I'll take these out before they burn. There we go. And then I'll just add some boiling water. There we go. Leave them to soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Now in the next step, I'm getting these tomatoes. Ooh, they're already getting excited in my pan. And 4 garlic cloves. There we go. So I'll just charge these until they get a nice color. And the idea is that you get the taste still from the chili to the tomato, and after they've got some nice color, I can peel them and start making the sauce for the carne con chili. Now after I've done this step, I'll braise the beef, and then I'll mix my chilies and tomato and onion and some nice spices, and then I'll just leave it to cook for 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on the beef, until it's tender. So this is just the beginning. The rest will be done in 2 hours time. So if you want to have the recipe of this carne con chili, very authentic Mexican, let me know and I'll send it to you. So I'll get all of these because I need to switch off the video. So take care and I'll see you around. Bye.